Michelle here from Acrylic Mixology Art. I'm painting again. I've had today's Mother's Day. This is my 4th video. 1 successful, 2 other complete fails. I was trying to do pearl pours with the extreme sheen and ain't no pearl popping up here. So I'm gonna just do, I did another sandwich pour flip cup bomb thing, so I think that's what I'm gonna do again. I like how it turned out. I have a couple of back-to-back festivals, so lately I've been doing kind of 2 of each. Anyway, so we have extreme sheen gold. My setup has changed today because on the other end of the table is the other pour I painted. I want quite a bit of negative space. I don't want too much just color. So if you watched my prior video, one of my prior videos, I don't know when this will get loaded, you'll see hopefully something similar to this, which was just what I was looking for. Not the same, because we can't do the same. I've gotten my flags pretty consistent though, where I can get not the same results, but very similar. So, I'm sorry, I'm talking and didn't even tell you my colors. So the purple was Amethyst. This is Aquamarine. Pink, Tourmaline. And then this dark blue is Sapphire. So, put some more white on here. I might use the rest of that white once I pour it, once I flip it. Actually, I'm going to put it down. Things don't seem to flow quite as well as I would as they do the canvas. Definitely a rougher surface for sure. Alright, I think that is done. Let me just tilt this a little. Roughly where my cups are going to go. Let me put that in. That one in. Come on, big guy. There we are. And we still have color. Maybe I'll do a big one. I have a big 24-inch round wood. This is a 18-inch. It'll either be a table, Lazy Susan. It could just go on the wall as well. So if you didn't see my previous videos, happy Mother's Day. Happy Kid Mom Day, happy Dog Mom, Cat Mom, lizard, snakes, bunnies, chickens, whatever you got. If you're not a mom, that's okay too. Happy You Day. Oh. All right, let me see what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna get it out. There we are. Guess I'll let that sit right there. Oh, they're pretty. Didn't see those. Those are kind of nifty. Kind of discombobulated, not being in my normal spot. There's something in there. Don't know what that is. We'll get that out. So just as I was about to start tilting, my mom came in and was yakking. So if you heard the door open, that's what that was. So I took my cups away and scraped the rest of the paint. I have plenty of paint, but you know, I like extra. I think having more is way better than having less. And she's back. And a few minutes later, she's gone again. I wouldn't be surprised if she came back in again. So, anyways, I removed my cups, just brought a little extra paint. Let's tilt this out, shall we? See what we get. Hopefully I'm staying on camera. Oh, that rolled over each other. I like that. It was pretty. I'm trying not to get paint all over my cups. But, you know, sometimes it doesn't work. Let me bring this way. Get my paint moving again. Forgot to put my gloves on. Seems to be a thing with me lately. Start doing something and don't wear my gloves. Which, you know, they're not necessary, I'll say that. But man, they make cleaning up your hands so much easier. So at this point, I'm just doing a little rotation to cover everything. I am going to get rid of that. I don't like it at all. There. Oh, a little more. Let me tilt back this way. I apologize if you're not seeing from a normal. Uh-oh. Well, I got a cup under there. Dang it, I forgot to tape the back. I do that. Forget to tape my back. It's okay. I usually paint the backs of these anyway, so not a huge deal, but still. I don't know where my cup is. A little hanger on. Ah, all right. We'll go that way. Oh, gotta get clean my hands. Bobbles. Just breaking up a little bit. My girlfriend loves the little swirly doodad doohickey things, and I'm not a huge fan of them, honestly. So I'll do this if I just want to break it up some, but Not necessarily my thing. Got some cute little cells right here. There was a beautiful group of cells. I don't remember what end it was on, and they ended up rolling over each other. I probably should have spread out some extender. Totally my fault, but it is what it is. I don't like this a lot. It'll probably dry better, but I don't know. We'll see. I did a curly Q for her. She knows who she is. She'll see this video. All right, I think I am done here. I'll bring you dies. I'll bring you that guy. Oh my goodness, I did it again. I'll bring you in for a close-up. So I am starting to get some more cells popping up. It's just the cutest little things right there. Cute little boogers. Through here. And I can see a whole stretch of paint through there. So I'm hoping it will pop up. If it doesn't pop up, what that's really telling me is when I try to do my my pearl pours with the extreme sheen, that it couldn't come up because the paint was just too thick. So, but I am starting to get them popping. These have just popped up. So I think that was the issue. The pearl pour, when I did it, I probably waited, I don't know, 15 minutes, maybe not quite that long, maybe 10 minutes. And torched a couple times and nothing ever came up, which I think is because my paint was just too thick. So anyways, here it is. And there's the other one. You probably saw that, but anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. This may change a little if I can get more to come up in here. I might torch again just to see, give it a few minutes. So all right, well, you guys have a wonderful day. Go mix it up. Bye-bye.